Good morning children. Today we are going to learn Science of Standard 4th. Page number 37. Open page number 37. Pranali. First you will have to do some revision for it. What will you do? You will draw a picture of a plant and name all the plants and all the parts of the plant and write the function of each part. Understood? Then after that we will go to this point. This is about a part green plants. Now we will read the lesson number 7, green plants. You find so many plants in your school garden or nearby garden. Most of these plants have green leaves. Why this green leaf? Why the color of the leaf is green? Have you ever wondered? Pranali, do you know why? See, this is the answer. A leaf is green in color due to the presence of green pigment called chlorophyll. So you will write this answer 3 times and learn the spelling of pigment, chlorophyll and all. Okay. Now, next point. We know that plants are living things. They make their own food. The green leaves in the plants make food. Now let us learn about the plants parts of the leaf. Now see, first you have seen, look at this picture. What is this? It is a leaf. Now we are going to look for the parts of a leaf. The different parts of a leaf are stalk, leaf blade, main vein and side vein. First one is stalk. This is the stalk which is attached to the stem. This stalk is attached to the stem of the tree. This leaf is joint there. Now next, leaf blade. This is the blade. The flattened part of leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina. It helps the leaf to trap the sunlight. Third one is main vein of the leaf. This is the main vein. Main vein or midrib runs through the middle of the leaf. Fourth one, side vein. There are many side veins. So a number of side veins arise from the main vein. These veins help to transport water, minerals and prepare food for the leaf. Now see, Pranali, you will do one thing. Draw the picture of the leaf. Write the names and write their function also. What is the parts of that. After that we will go to the next. Stomata. What are stomata? The lower surface of the leaf has many tiny pores. These pores are called stomata. This is a singular word. Plural word. Singular is stoma. A leaf takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen and excess water vapor through stomata. So these pores are very useful for the leaf, means for the plant, to make the food for themselves. Functions of leaves. Now what is the function? Leaves make food for plants, so they are called kitchen or food factories of a plant. Now it may be for true or false. Leaves are food factories of a plant. What will you write? True. Leaves help plants breathe through stomata. Leaves give shape and color to the plant. Turn the page. Now leaves prepare food. That means what? This process of preparing food is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. What is the spelling of photosynthesis? P-H-O-T-O, photo, synthesis, S-Y-N-T-H-E-S-I-S. Now what is the meaning of photosynthesis? Can you tell me? What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis. Photo means light. It takes light from the sunlight. And synthesis means it takes all the minerals, and with that help of minerals it prepares food in the presence of sunlight. Now see, it is written here, given here. The process by which green leaves make food with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. So the process of making of the food for the plants with the help of carbon dioxide, water, and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. See, it is also given here. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. How do these leaves prepare food? So it is given here. Roots, you know that roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and send them to the leaves through stem. Leaves take carbon dioxide through stomata and absorb sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. They use sunlight to put water and carbon dioxide together to make food. This plant food is a simple sugar called glucose. What is it called? Glucose. When food is prepared, it is taken to the veins and to the stem of and to all parts of the plant. Oxygen is given out through stomata. This is how plants make the food. Now, how plants use their food? Plants use their prepared food, glucose, in the following ways. They burn it to produce energy. They use it for their growth and repairing damaged cells and tissues, for the wear and tear of the damaged tissues. They store extra food in the form of starch in their different parts like leaves, roots, fruits, stems or flowers. Understood? Now you will do one thing. Read this 1.5 page 3 times, underline the new words, write 5 times and send it to me. Thank you.